So it's the day after the party. We are now at somewhere. It's 10:47. We were in the attic getting a whole bunch of stuff last night, so we've got all our cool cups and stuff like that. We are going to go to her friends today. Yeah, maybe. I don't know. I'm still tired. Pissing out rain again. Those losers just September in Sweden. Get used to it. Hey!
Hey på!
Where am I going, left or right?
Det hållet.
Alright, so we have just left
Mormor och morfar.
Mormor and morfar. And we're now heading to Borås.
Småland. Ja.
Småland,
Borås och sen
first.
Småland.
And then we're on our way to Mimi. That's where we're staying tonight.
Yeah.
We will be wining and dining there, and then tomorrow we'll be in Homestead.
Halmstad.
Homestead. And then, yeah, that's where we're going to start all the wedding plans. All the wedding. It's beautiful up here. It's amazing. It's absolutely spectacular. It's gorgeous.
Yeah.
And then we will be, planning the rest of the wedding and getting everything organised. It's going to be quite busy 3 days in Homestead. But at least I know tomorrow night we're going to the movies. And then the next night after that we're going swimming.
Yeah.
And then
Which is good.
the next night after that, I don't know, we'll probably just chill in Homestead.
Yeah. Sounds good.
We'll figure something out. But yeah, off to go get another Wayne's coffee. Woo! Hey doll. So here we are in Borås. It is rainy. We just paid £5 to park for half an hour. I don't know if that's cheap. Seems cheap.
It's pretty cheap, I think.
I'm gonna go get a Wayne's coffee. So the sun's really nice here actually. It's really bitey. And yeah, so that's
It's nice everywhere. The
raining.
wind is cold and the rain is...
The wind sucks here. It's been a while since we've been back. And almost nothing has changed, but it's all different. Does that make sense?
Yeah. You're different.
You're different. How am I different? I got less hair. Does that count? None of these flowers were here last time.
You're a bit better at Swedish.
Oh, tack så mycket. Good practice, svenska?
Ja.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
8, 9, 10.
8! The Wayne's Coffee.
Are you happy now?
Wayne's Coffee. I'm always happy. And they're open.
Oh. Go to 3 different Waynes.
4.
Where's the 4th one?
I don't know, somewhere. What's
Stor?
Stool cappuccino?
Atomme.
Atame. Wow.
Bara en.
We just got a Wayne's coffee. We're going up through one of Sarah's favourite shoe shops. We just walked past, she's like, I want to go with them. I'm like, okay. So now we're going to go and look at some shoes and stuff in Borås. Sarah, this section looks like it's for kids, not for little Sarahs. Okay, so we got coffee, just finally left that shop. That shop was really not fun. Was it fun?
No.
No, never fun. So good.
Yeah. It was better to wait a little bit.
And a little bit windy, but still nice and warm. As long as we're warm, I'm happy. Vad heter det?
I think it's a fake one.
A fake what?
It's a fake coin. It's plastic.
Sarah's got counterfeit money. She's going to jail. So yeah. Tack så mycket! Ha må bra! Hej!